In healthcare, every detail matters. Cleanliness isn't just expected, it's critical. At Veritiv, we support healthcare environments with facility solutions designed to help you promote wellness, build trust, and boost patient satisfaction. Our approach goes beyond product. It's about partnership, working with your team to meet the highest standards in safety, compliance, and efficiency. We're within reach of 99% of our customers. Our 121 distribution centers and 650 trucks, we deliver fast and reliably every time. Through cleaning automation, we've helped healthcare customers reduce labor and maintenance costs by up to 50%. Our lean advisors help eliminate inefficiencies and save your team over 2 hours per day with smart sanitation methods. We bring expertise, 68 in-house specialists, and a catalog of 51,000 items tailored for healthcare facility needs. Need to simplify procurement? We're GPO compliant with Vizient, Premier, and Navigator, so you can buy smarter while staying compliant. Sustainability matters more than ever. Access 43,000 plus sustainable products and monitor performance with our EcoScore dashboard. And through our digital platform, integrated with Coupa, Ariba, and 28 plus partners, you gain full control over speed and frequency. With a vetted network of 3,500 ethical suppliers and a 5-day service guarantee, Veritiv ensures the right product arrives on time, every time. When you're trusted with patient wellness, trust Veritiv to keep your facilities running safely, sustainably, and seamlessly. Contact Veritiv today to elevate your healthcare facility strategy.